Hi, this is Redmi 12R and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first we should open the settings application and then tap the Wi-Fi section. To activate Wi-Fi, click on the switcher. To turn it off, you should by the same way click on the same switcher. After that, you'll see here all of the available networks. Here click to the one from the networks and enter the password. If you want to see this password, you should click to this eye icon, then just tap to connect, wait a second, and now we could see that our device successfully connected to this network. So also we get one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel and here you'll see Wi-Fi icon. Click on this icon to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, and to launch full Wi-Fi settings, hold it for a while, and after that by the same way select the network, enter the password and tap to connect. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.